Hello everyone, I introduce myself. My name is Devin Karesha Entempapia, with student ID number 2024-32068 from Information System Department. So in this video, I will explain the implementation of Firewall and Access Control List or ACL configuration using Cisco Packet Tracker. Okay, and the step 1, you adding the device. In this step, several devices such as PC, switch, and server are added into the workspace, and this space, the devices are still not connection to each other because the network topology has not been configuration. This is the preparation step before building the network. Okay, and then step 2, you preparing the network topology, and then it is here. The device are RN business based on the design topology. The PC are connected to the switch, and the switch connecting into router, and the router acts on the main connection between different networks, and will the switch connect device with the same local network. Okay, and next, you connect all device. In this step, all device are connecting using cables according to the topology design. This it's copper strike thrown in this connecting on the device. In the topology design, the network is no facility connection and allowing communication between device after configuration is completed. This. Okay, and step 4 is configuration IP address on PC. This. And configuration, the IP address or PC this. Using state configuration, the IP address is set to this with subnet mask and default gateway. This configuration allow PC not to communication with other device in the network. And configuration IP address on the PC1. This after that, I configuration PC1 with the IP address this and the 3 and this and this one. And can communication differently with each other. Okay, and this configuration server IP address. And this step, iServer is configured with IP address this. And is the next you configuration IP address on PC2. This PC2 is configuration with IP addresses and subnets. Because PC2 and the server are in the same subnet, they can communication directly without passing through the router. And next, and this configuration server IP address. This and the server is configuration with IP address this, subnet mask, and default gateway. The server is plain different network segment from the PCS. Okay, and next you router interface configuration. And this is the CLE, and this is the next I configuration the router interface and the force this and enable, and I must get in FI no and no IP address no SH is information at gateway from the network, and the both interface are activating using to node shutdown command. This. Okay, and next, I configuration ACL for ICMP blocking in the I create access control list or ACL. In ACL number this, and configuration the any AKMP traffic. This. In the main PC null, and at allowing pin the server. After that, I coming permit this. Permit AP anyway is add so that other traffic is still allowing. I configuration ACL from HTTP blocking. Another ACL rules in scripting to block HTTP access. The configuration then is TCP. This traffic from IP address. This to server on port this. That means the PC cannot access the web server or the server. The ACL is named application to the router interface in both direction, and you testing in the configuration this Finally, the configuration is tested using a web browser. When the PC tries access the user using the ID this, the results know this, and this indication that the HCL configuration success block HTTP access to the server. Okay, this. Okay, maybe in conclusion, the rule and the HCL configuration has been success implementation. The network can still communication normally with basic traffic such as ping and HTTP access can be requested from security purposes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.